In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GitHub email in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're tidying up your inbox, transitioning to a new email, or simply updating your GitHub account for better organization, this guide will smoothly walk you through each step. Let's dive right into it. Now, the very first thing you want to do is to navigate to GitHub's website. Once there, you'll notice a sign in button, typically located in the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway into your GitHub account, so go ahead and click on that. Next, you're greeted with a login page. Here you'll enter your username or the email address associated with your GitHub account. Remember, if you've used multiple emails or have changed your username before, you'll want to use the one currently linked to your GitHub account. After you've input your username or email, the next step is to enter your password. Take a moment to ensure you're entering it correctly, especially if you've got a complex password, to avoid the hassle of having to reset it. Once you've entered your credentials, it's time to click on Sign In. This action grants you access to the heart of GitHub, the dashboard. It's essentially your operations hub, where you can jump into your repositories, explore projects, and customize your GitHub experience. Upon accessing your dashboard, the next step is to navigate to your account settings. You can find the settings option by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. This menu is crucial for personalizing your GitHub experience and managing your account details. Inside your settings, look for the email section. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your email settings on GitHub. Here you'll see any and all emails associated with your account, including your primary email address. To add a new email, simply click on Add Email Address. This is a straightforward step, but an important one. You'll be prompted to enter the new email address you wish to associate with your GitHub account. It's a good practice to use an email address that you check regularly to ensure you don't miss any important notifications or account-related alerts from GitHub. After entering the new email, GitHub will typically send a confirmation email to that address. It's a security step to make sure you truly own and have access to the new email. Simply follow the instructions in that email to complete the verification process. This might involve clicking a verification link or entering a code sent to your email, and that's it. Once you've verified your new email address, you've successfully updated your GitHub account. Remember, you can make this new email your primary address or keep it as a secondary one, depending on your preferences and needs. A couple of additional tips to bear in mind. Keeping your account security in mind is paramount. Regularly updating your contact details ensures that you remain reachable for any security alerts or account recovery needs. Additionally, periodically reviewing and managing your email preferences in the email section of your settings helps you control the amount and type of notifications you receive, keeping your inbox clutter-free and ensuring that you only get notified about what's truly important to you. There you have it. Changing your email on GitHub doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these steps, you can easily manage your account's email settings, ensuring that your GitHub experience remains secure, organized, and tailored to your needs. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for more content that helps you navigate your digital tools and services seamlessly.